Hello, I'm Robert, owner of Aggressive Plumbing Company. Aggressive Plumbing is the family-owned and operated business. We have been serving the greater Pensacola area for over 30 years. Aggressive Plumbing has many services that we offer. We offer services like repair, remodel, new construction, gas services, especially generator and tankless water heater installation.
At Aggressive Plumbing, we focus on using quality materials with all installations and repairs.
Good, solid, long-lasting USA-made materials are always our first choice.